So, what do they expect? What should they expect when they're initiating home care with Ohana Care for their loved one?
Yeah, I mean, lots of communication. That's our goal, right? We know that
Mhm.
you are embarking on something that's maybe unfamiliar, and so we want to support everybody through that. Client, loved one, you name it, the family, everyone needs that support as they're all working through something in this process and maybe going through a grieving process. So there's lots of support, lots of communication. Likely you'll hear from many different people as we move through the process of onboarding a new client. From caregivers you may hear from, myself, Liz, Jen, our office manager, Monica, the unicorn scheduler that we have, or Heather, who's our HR director, and soon Shanna, who's also joining us. So there's lots of people that will connect with you and share different aspects of the business and how they can be of support to you. I think the first visit is really how you dictate it, honestly. Some family members want to be present for those first visits, or the client, is welcoming us themselves. Other times, family members kind of need that hands off, or maybe it's recommended by us to be a little bit hands off for those first visits to try and set us up for success. And so I would say there isn't a what to expect kind of step by step. It's really very uniquely tailored to your situation. There's a get to know you kind of process. Honestly, it's a little bit, um, I wouldn't say disjointed, but definitely it takes some time for everyone to feel comfortable in this new transition. Um, but our caregivers are very good at what they do as far as going into someone's home and trying to establish a routine, knowing what needs to be done, or at least taking a look around and trying to understand what needs to be done and how support can be made available to the clients. So I put a lot of trust into our caregivers, and it's proved very well earned trust as far as sending them out there and knowing that they are very good at their jobs and that they are capable of, jumping both feet into the support that's needed.